So we are going to unbox the laptop, the machine, जो कि मेरा लेने का कोई भी ऐसा प्लान नहीं था. It's all विशी भैया. So you can go ahead and blame जिसको भी कर रहा है कि why is this machine here. तो हम लोग इसको भैया को ही बोलेंगे. This is all because of विशी भैया क्योंकि I had no big plans.
So what is the date and time? What sale did you get it on? How much did you have to like do मेहनत? है ना, कितना खून पसीना बहा है?
Okay. So I have been waiting for this sale since quite a long time, and ये हम लोग ने Big Billion Days sale में we got it, and I had to spend what like 8 hours रात में. So one transaction was completed, so but then उस transaction में नहीं मिला. Then I had to chase those bank people, and then.
So is this the only device you got?
No, I also got my phone. Like where is it? Where did I keep it?
That's okay.
I should keep it here.
Okay.
Yes, this is the other shining iPhone that I got, and after all those precautions, also I'm using it without cover and everything.
ठीक है.
Now, so I ordered it on 7th, and I got it on today is 9th, right? Yes.
तो 8th हो जाती है लेकिन टेम्पो खराब हो गया.
Yes, वो टेम्पो खराब हो गया, and we got it.
But I really like that he called us, huh?
Yes. But then he said that वो कल ही लेके जाएगा. He'll try, which I knew कि he is not going to. But then कोई बात नहीं. He's still going to come out like this.
You just pull it. नहीं ऊपर से, हाँ, just दोनों साइड से symmetrical.
It's coming out धीरे धीरे. तो बहुत धीरे धीरे आ रहा है लेकिन. Too much vacuum.
And this is quite nice, huh? It's August made. Did you see?
Yes.
August 23.
Very very new.
हाँ, तो it's not like
They're selling old units.
hot fresh from China. China.
It's a very nice color. Here it is.
So जब तक सेल वाले कोई सामान नहीं चाहिए हो वो ना खरीदवा दें तब तक.
Oh, the nice Apple Music. And लेकिन सेल वालों से ज़्यादा इसमें हाथ तो भैया का है. So the Flipkart representative I had in my house. Okay, so we'll set it up.
How's the battery? Connect your charger.
I think it would be 50% तो होनी चाहिए.
Okay.
Let's see.
To use English as the main language, press the return. To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Where is the return? अच्छा हो गया. Okay, right. Briefing won't work. Okay. We'll have to get used to all of this Mac वाला चीज़ें. Can I? Type it. Let me type it here.
Okay. I think that's the unboxing. What else is in the box?
Okay. Cable.
What is a cable like? It's a
Type-C to
USB
Type-C.
C to C. Okay.
Then you have the adapter.
How many watts is it?
It should be of 30 watts. Why is it? Okay, here it is. Yes, it's a 30 watt adapter.
Okay, very good. All right, so that completes our unboxing experience.
Thank you. With
You
a
can
thank
smile
you.
for the camera.
With a thank you, bhaiya. Note.
No, you don't thank me because it's like
you were the catalyst, right?
it's
Otherwise,
like
I would not have bought it.
no, but that तो like okay, ठीक है, I'll take that. Okay, bye. चलो, we are at this.